Well, this is an exciting day for me. These trees up here make me nervous. I prayed and prayed. None of them would fall in the huge winds we've been having this spring. Whoa, watch that go. Boom! What fun! That tree has scared me to death.
There's 2 standing dead ones and the other ones are in bad shape.
Guess I better get out of the way. Got 'em timber. There it goes. Timber! Boom! Great job. That takes guts, in my opinion. This tree is taller than any other tree around it. Perhaps you can see him up there, at least his chainsaw. But he has been taking a lot of limbs down. They use a rope to get the limbs down. It still has to go all the way up to here. And it started to blow a little bit earlier, and oh, I prayed. I just asked God, please stop the wind. And God's listening. He stopped the wind. It is absolutely still now. Thank God. Because it's between 2 cabins, that's why they're being so very, very careful and not just sawing it and trying to land it with ropes, because that's, dangerous. They definitely know what they're doing. These light marks are cat scratchings from Raphael. I asked him to cut it this high so that Raphael would still have his scratching post outside. Them from the priest who bragged on them at church one day. Ounce of prevention, pound of cure. That's why I do this. Smells great. I just love this. Out in the neighborhood, there's a bunch of deer.